thanks for hopping on, guys. I was just like going through your guys' project and had a couple questions and things that I'm working on that I thought that maybe you guys could answer. But I also have a friend who had a couple questions too, who's going to hop on and maybe share some thoughts as well. That's cool with you guys, yeah?
Yep.
Sure.
Sounds
Cool. So maybe we'll just wait for him
Who is it?
to jump on. His name's Cody.
Secret guest.
Hello, hello.
Hi, how's it going?
Hey,
Hey, what's going on?
Oh, not too much.
Hey, Danny, is this the New England Patriots special teams meeting for the offseason?
Yeah. Yeah. I think you got the right one.
Belichick about to be here? I don't know. Oh man, I'm in the wrong meeting. All right. Hi, my name's Cody Davis. I'm a 10-year NFL vet. This is going to be my 10th year coming up. And I'm a member of the New England Patriots. And I don't know if you know the team that well, but we're hard into special teams.
You don't win anything or anything. Right?
And I'm a special teams specialist.
Wow.
I also went to Texas Tech University where I got my Master's of Science in Data Science. And therefore, I'm a judge at the 2022 Big Data Bowl. And I don't know if you're guessing yet while I'm here or not, but I'm here to share with you some great news.
No, don't do it.
While there were several top-notch papers and presentations, the judges all felt that your Returner Path project was a great combination of creative idea and some impressive math. And as a result, you've been selected as the grand champion and overall winner for this year's event.
Oh my god. Oh
Holy
my
crap.
God.
it's awesome.
Holy cow. Thank
Thank
you.
you so much for
Thank you.
letting me be a judge, and I was really impressed with your project.
Yeah,
Wow.
thanks. Thanks.
Danny,
That's amazing.
success.
Wow, yeah.
Yeah, you got
This
it.
was so like just a regular meeting. I was like, oh, the Kraken are wanting to use our data. I thought that
I
was
thought
cool.
we were
but
just
this
I thought we were just gonna bounce some ideas off each other. Good thing I did my hair. I was gonna wear a toque, a hat, or something.
Holy-
Congrats,
I
guys. You
got
guys
my
deserve it.
SFU sweater on, so that
Yeah.
helps.
Whew.
kinda-
Oh my god. Well,
You almost
Thank
tricked
you.
me there.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
with I kind of thought when you sent me this link, I was thinking like, oh, are we going on to some like surprise podcast or something? Then you said, oh, it's a Kraken thing, and I thought, oh no, it's probably not. It's probably nothing. Then
I had,
Yeah, that's
I had an
cool.
absolute blast judging all the projects. I had to knock some rust off for sure because I graduated back in 2012 and then got my master's in 2018. And but it was awesome to see all the work that went into your project, and it's really fun from my perspective, having played so long, to kind of give that feedback from a player point of view. And yeah, y'all's was definitely my favorites, and I even got a little bit of help from our data scientist there at work. He was helping me comb through the projects, and he really liked yours as well.
That's amazing.
Awesome. Well, yeah, we really appreciate it.
True honor. Thanks.
Thank you so
Congrats
much.
again.
Wow.
This is Mike.
Hi everyone, I'm here too.
Just hiding in the background. Oh my god.
Congratulations to all of you. And then I'll start. Danny and Cody, thank you. Danny for being the mole, and then Cody for the couple weeks worth of effort. And I remember reaching out to you several months back, and your enthusiasm, Cody, from the start and helping out our event is really great. And it's truly exciting to see players like dig this stuff, right? And this is a passion for a lot of participants, and having folks on the inside that appreciate that and also are worth their expertise in the playing side is awesome, and that's something new to this year's event that we want to keep going. In terms of a couple quick questions for the Simon Fraser group, first congratulations, but then just in general, what does it feel like to win this year's event? How do you feel about the experience? This is the last step of this year's event. This is hopefully the last recording we'll have to do. So looking back, what do you feel? What do you feel about winning? What do you feel about this year's event?
Well, yeah, like, I mean, for me, like, I wouldn't have gotten as close as I did with Brendan, Eli, and Robin, like, without this event. When Brendan, reached out to us at the beginning, we were all strangers, and this is how we kind of became really good friends. And then, seeing how the project got to grow, and then obviously seeing all the feedback that we've been getting, and, the networking that we've been able to do, it's been kind of a surreal experience at times, especially right now. Yeah, but this, like, the event was, was awesome for us to learn off of other people, but also learn off each other, and, build friendships as well.
Yeah, and it's just an amazing competition to like see a national league release data like this for anyone to get their hands on. Like, it's really an honor to be able to work with such great data and against such good people, and we're just really thankful.
Yeah, I'd say for me as well, like when I came here to SFU, I knew that Danny, Matt, Lucas, and James had won before. And I thought, yeah, why don't we try and give it a shot? And then thankfully all the hard work ended up paying off. But also another thing, just doing like a football analytics project versus a hockey analytics. Like hockey analytics work and winning a competition in that, just the difference in the amount of feedback we got, or the amount of people that were like retweeting our work, and kind of the amount of like social media presence in football analytics is cool too, just to see like how many people are into it.
Yeah, just to piggyback off Brendan, like, we started this just to do something fun and try our best, and we know that the competition we were going up against was crazy, so we never actually pictured winning, and worked hard, and to be here now, it's amazing. But just to have our work be validated by anyone in this room, and everyone who looked at our work, it's been amazing.
I think in general, this was it was another tremendous Big Data Bowl. We more or less set the Kaggle record for an analytics contest with the number of participants. We had over 200 folks involved. We integrated PFF data for the first time this year. Eric and folks over there, thank you for allowing us to do that. I do think the future of football analytics is not just scouting data and not just tracking data. It's blending both those together into telling the one story that most resembles what happens on the field. Our judges were a great blend of data science expertise, the NFL playing experience. So thank you to our judges of this year's event. Thank you to AWS for being our sponsor. Thanks to Kaggle for hosting. And we hope to be back with an even better version of our event in 2023. So thanks again, everyone, for another wonderful event.
Congratulations to our champions and to all the finalists for their contributions to this year's competition. We look forward to seeing you again for next year's Big Data Bowl.